Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the core materials and cutting panels precisely to size. Measure your required capacity and cut the woven polypropylene for front, back, base, and 2 gusset panels. Once done, reinforce edges with a 2-3 cm fold and tack stitch to prevent fraying. Prepare 4 lifting loop strips and double fold their ends. Make sure to label pieces for orientation. This saves time when sewing. This step sets the foundation for strength and alignment, so check measurements twice before moving on. Now you stitch the components together, starting with joining the front to a gusset, then the back to the opposite gusset, forming a tube. Use a high-torque industrial machine and 6/8 stitches per cm to ensure seam strength. A zigzag pattern distributes load well. Attach lifting loops with a box X stitch pattern and add webbing underneath the base seam for extra support. Once seams are checked, install an inner liner if needed, and sew on the filling spout or discharge spout according to your handling plan. Finish by attaching the base panel using a multi-pass seam and reinforcing tape under high stress points. Once assembled, perform a static load test at rated capacity plus 10% to verify integrity. Monitor seams and loops closely. Trim and heat seal any loose filament edges, then apply necessary labeling for weight limits and lifting instructions. If a seam shows weakness, stop. Apply a stitch overlay and external reinforcing tape, then retest. If the liner leaks, reseal its seam and repeat the load check before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.